So hi guys, I just wanted to show you um, a bit of a clothing haul. I picked up these items last week. This is a gray crew neck. I believe there's no wool in this. If you are sensitive to wool, I'm just gonna make sure because I had read it. So it has acrylic and nylon. This sweater came in a black, this gray, cream color, and a camel color. So I'm just, I decided on this color, but I'm not sure. I might trade it out for the camel color. Also, I picked up this jacket from H&M. H&M's been having some really great sales. Oh, and the sweater was around $35 at the Banana Factory outlet store. Back to this jacket I picked up from H&M. This comes in 3 colors: black, camel, and this white jacket or cream. This is in a size medium, and it's almost like a pea coat style. Looks nice with the gray sweater. And you know, if you're in a car a lot, you're not really standing outside, this is like a perfect coat. It is double-breasted, and that's what it looks like. Very simple, but you know, it dresses up what you're wearing. So if you have, you know, holidays coming around, or you just want to look a little bit more put together, definitely check out H&M. And I wanted this jacket when it was on regular price, so that was a regular, and I guess they have some sales right now, and it was $37.99. Online, I believe it's still regular price. So I have a cream colored sweater coming because I thought I'd do a monochromatic look with that. And then I also got this blazer coat. It's a bit thicker. 2 button, 2 pockets. You have to open the pockets, they're sealed. Nice and thick. You just, you know, around this time of year, you can put it over some holiday clothes. This is also a medium. And this is what this looks like. A little bit oversized. It's got 2 buttons. And there is a flap at the back that you have to kind of undo. You're not going to be able to see because it's black. But yeah, it's a really nice jacket. And then going back to the Banana Republic, I had seen this color scarf, and they have quite a few different colors and like plaids, or yeah, I guess plaids. I just thought this color would look really nice this time of year. And this scarf right now is $25 at the Banana Republic factory outlet. It's a lot to say, but yeah, so these are just a few clothing pieces that I've purchased in the last few days, but I love the color of the scarf. The sweater too is really nice. I don't know, it feels a little itchy, but I wouldn't say it is. It's just my skin from this weather is very dry. So it doesn't have any wool, so if you are sensitive to wool, it could be the jackets too. I think there's some wool in these jackets. And the scarf, I can tell you, it's just 100% polyester. It is just such a beautiful pink. So yeah, these are some clothing pieces that I picked up. You know, so Hey guys, so if you like my videos, please like and subscribe.